Today on the channel, we are going to change the rear wiper blade on this Jeep Renegade Trailhawk. What is up, everybody, and welcome to the channel. We are going to change the rear wiper blade on our Renegade Trailhawk with this AMCO replacement blade. But before I get into this, let me let you in on a little something that we got going on here. I was asked where's some of the Jeep content and stuff like that. Well, to be honest, I've just been so busy with the 2nd Gen Ram Mud Truck to Show Truck project build that we have on the channel that we've been focusing on that to get all that done. So for real, we have not had anything happen to our Jeep Renegade Trailhawk yet that we needed to pay any attention to, just your common oil changes and things like that. But we do have some modifications for this Jeep planned in the future here, so you don't want to miss that. And one of them are these Quake LED headlight conversion with the colored rings all through it. And along with this, we got the matching fog lights to go with that. They said this application is not really for the Jeep Renegade, the fog lights aren't, but we are going to make them fit, so you don't want to miss that content. So hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. And if we didn't win your subscription on this video, well, maybe on the next one we will. So let me bring all you in to show you why we're going to be changing this. And one of the reasons is, well, the wiper blade here is coming off. So we just need to change it in. I'm going to bring you in here, get things set up, and show you what's going on. Alright, now that we got things set up here, and one of the reasons why we're changing this, as you can see here, I don't know if I could get the camera around there, but is because our blade is starting to come off of this. And you're not going to believe how easy it is to change this. And we are going to replace it with this AMCO AR10W replacement blade. The 10 means it's a 10-inch. And we picked this up from A&A Auto Stores here in Dallas, Pennsylvania. Check your local auto parts store. I'm sure they'll have one. Like I said, you're not going to believe how easy it is to change this. So once you have your blade, you pick up your blade. I'm just going to put that up there for now. Once you have getting ready to change this, it's that easy. I just don't know how to explain it to you. All you're going to do is pull up on your arm, and you're going to see your blade flex a little bit. Well, you want to get your fingers between the blade and the arm, and you're going to want to push. And your finger here is going to go on the inside of this one, and then all you do is push with this hand, and you'll hear a pop, and it comes right out. That's how easy it is. No tools needed. And like I said, this is why we're replacing it. So then I'm just going to get the new blade. And here's the replacement blade. And as you can see from the old one, they are identical. So before you do this, just make sure that your blades match up and everything's the same way. And then to replace your blade, all you do is get your new one. And let me bring you around the other side and show you this side. And there's a little lip here that your new blade will place back in. Like I said, now it'll be easier to show you without the old blade on there. You just pull your blade out a little bit, put this hand behind here, and put your finger here on the inside this way, and then you just pop it out this way and push like that in that motion. And then you get your new blade, orientate it the right way, and you just reverse the process. Find your groove that it's going to go in, and you snap it in place. And now your blade's been replaced. It's that simple. Well, I hope this video helps all you guys out in replacing your own wiper blade. It's very simple. No tools needed. All you need is the wiper arm. And like I said, once again, we have used the AMCO AR10W for this install. And like, here's the old one that just needed to be replaced. So once again, hit that like, comment, and subscribe button, and comment down below on how you like this video, or was it easy enough to change yours? Well, till next time, I'm Joe, driving trucks and hunting bucks is how I roll it. Wicked Fabz!